Welcome to Luxe Aesthetic Center Rajagiriya. We are a unisex salon for beauty, skin and hair. Our aesthetic center is specialized in enhancing beauty and confidence with personalized treatments to our valued customers. We offer hydrofacial, 24K gold facial, age-reversing treatment, microdermabrasion, Korean glass BB treatment, lip BB treatment, microblading, electrotherapy, manicure, pedicure, and waxing at our center, hair treatment, hairstyling, coloring, rebonding. Visit our unisex salon at Rajagiriya for all your beauty, skin, and hair solutions.